Hello dear student, today we are going to do a very important example. As you see, it is sine x to the power cosine x. Our task is to find first derivative. If you have y equal to a power n, you can multiply ln on both sides and get ln y equal to n ln a. So according to this example, as you see, it is sine x cos to the power cos x. So when you multiply ln on both sides, we reach here. Then ln y equal to cosine x ln sine x. So here we can derivate both sides. 1 over y derivative equal to cosine x derivative, then ln sine x plus ln sine x derivative, then cos x. So as you see, this is 1 out of y derivative equal to the derivative of cosine, it is a sine, ln sine x plus the derivative of ln sine x, it look like sine x derivative out of sine x cosine x. 1 over y derivative equal to sine x ln sine x plus sine derivative over sine cos x. Then this is the same as to you can write this and also write this, but here the sine derivative is cosine, then out of sine multiply cosine x. Again, can write 1 over x, 1 over y derivative. This is a sine x ln sine x, then cosine out of sine, what is it? It is a cot x, then cosine x. So y derivative equal to y sine x ln sine x plus cot x dot cos x. The final answer, y derivative is equal to y, according to our previous question, this is value of y sine x power cosine x. So you can bring this sine x here, right, like ln sine x power sine x, then plus cot x plus times cosine x. This is the final answer according to what you have asked, to find the first derivative of our question. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and like.